guys, and today we're going out to play Brookhaven. And then my cousin plays Brookhaven, guys. So I'm gonna join her, by the way. So I don't know what's his house, okay? I don't know what's his number house. So I'm going out to play. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, guys, let's wait. You guys, just wait, okay? Oh, yeah, I got it. Got it. So my cousin wants to play. His name is Kylie. But she wants to be Apple. That's his favorite Minecraft though. But, you know. Like very good. Oh. Oh, sorry, guys. Because my mom. I joined Ronaline and then I joined Joy and then Kylie. Where's Joy? Joy! Is that Joy? It's Luna! Joy! It's Joy! Oh. Joy. Hi, Joy. Where's Kylie? Kylie's over here. Hello. She's Apmal avatar, dude. She got Apmal avatar. Yeah, that's my cousin, guys. Don't rude to my cousin, okay? So I'm going to sit over there. To the back. Okay, he's going out to the piggyback though. He's old. He's on my house, dude. Yeah, it's my mommy.
Niya.
It's Kylie. Yeah.
Di mo naggawa na pa siya ng module niya?
Oh.
Hindi da.
I don't know. So what we're going to sleep over today, guys, right? So I think I'll get a new house. I'll get a new house. Okay, I'll get a new house. I'll get a new house. I'll get a new home. I'll get a new home. What do you crave? Why are you carrying me all the day? Ah, wait, what? Huh? Ah! Why is it like this? Wait. Oh! Wait, I got a new house, wait. So, let me go now to get my new house, and then I'm just going now to get my new house, and I copy you. I copy you, Kylie. I copy you.
Kumusta?
Ronaline ice cream. Ronaline ice cream daw. Ronaline ice cream. Hi, Ronaline ice cream. How are you? And then I got pink tone. Wait. It doesn't look like pink. Oh, this is pink. And then there's a Ronaline ice cream, dude. Ronaline ice cream. Where's the Ronaline ice cream? Ronaline ice cream! Ronaline ice cream, nasan ka na? Ronaline ice cream. Can you give me some ice cream, dude? Ronaline ice cream. No, don't leave. I want birthday cake all the day. Wait lang. I'm gonna give you money, okay? I'm gonna give you money. It's too small. Sorry, guys, because that means I will give you money, so... Bro, what the heck? Not working? Yeah, I will not give you an ice cream. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, sige. Anong bago natin?
What you said?
Mamaya pagkaan.
Okay. Thank you.
Hindi pa kayo, may sahod. Sana all.
Money, green, money's all I need, money, green,
Wala.
money's all I need, money, green, money's all I need, like a Gcash,
Oo. Wala mong pwedeng makapag. Ha?
Sorry guys, because you know, why is Dizzy again? He's dizzy. Yeah, I saw you because you look like a rat. So I gotta get to the car. So yeah, deserve, dude. You're coming to my house, dude. Hey, I want to go to the hospital. Can I go to the hospital? No, I just want to go to the hospital. And then I will go to the hospital, idiot. Bye-bye.
Diyos naman. Wala na pakialam. Hindi ko na rin Ha?
Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Like a Gcash to set a figure out. What are you waiting for, dude? Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Money, green, money's all I need. Like a Gcash because you always get money to me, dude. Because I wanna come. Oh, ho.
Merong talagang concern.
Can you drive me back? I don't know how to drive.
Sabi ko nga.
So, Kylie races. Yo, Kylie races Hershey's cookies.
Alam mo ba yung parang
Dude, why are so many? Money, green, money's all I need. Kylie what? Kylie Hershey's.
Sigurado. Kasi alam mo
Kylie's chocolate. Kylie's chocolate.
alam na walang kasama. Hindi, alam mo
Yan.
Alam mo bakit yan? Kasi parang yung ganyan na ginawa ni natin. Alam mo yun? Kaya hindi nila may kasi meron siyang plano. Ala naman niya, dahil
Chari pa man.
lupa, yan, yung kanila.
It's from TikTok, guys. So, Kylie's Hershey's. I gotta get to... Who the heck is that?
Parang sa nanay ko na hindi nila...
Weird.
Nagtataka nga ako
Babadoo.
sino sa amin. Kahit ng beses lang matulog ang nanay, ayaw.
Money, green, money's all I need. I gotta give you 1,000, police officer. Gotta give you 1,000.
Brainwash na tinanim sa utak. Alam mo yun, sa ulo. Hindi kaya sabi ko, bagay.
Is that science?
Ganun din. Mga
Take
ganyan tao na
Take it from me. Thank you.
Ha?
They're closed. Bro, why is he sitting over here, dude? Get out of my house. It's closed, you idiot.
Oh.
Hey, he's driving to your house, Kylie. He's driving to your car. Okay, only ice cream can come over here. This ice cream needs an ice cream, so it must be here for my kid. I know. I just get another way. I get all the time. I just want to never run out of. So I told her, I don't know. You don't know what you're saying to me. And Ronaldie just have ice cream, and Kylie has an ice cream too. And what the? There's a. How did they let them go? You know, for because I don't know. Sorry. And then what's up now?
Sabi ko nga mag-upload na lang.
Sorry, because I called him up now. Oh, Kylie. Kylie's gone. Kylie's gone. I'm going to the home. I'm going out to school, guys. I'm going out to school.
O, saan, anong
Going
magiging
out to
trabaho niya doon?
school. So never mind. And everybody can listen to me about that.
Meron
Because,
na kaya
no,
meron na
I'm
kaya
going out to
doon?
school today, and I'm going to students. And let's go now to try something and prepare me of something because we'll try it because I don't know if I get something bestie. Bestie. Hi bestie. Did you know what's your crush today?
Pwede doon.
No, I don't know what's your crush today because I just gave you a course. I didn't know. Let's go start. It's school time. Oh, by the way, bestie, you're the another grade, right?
Baka sa Taiwan. Kasi sa Thailand,
Yeah. So by the way, it's getting late. So I will go now to school. Okay. Okay.
Sabihin mo nga kay Rosa, may message si